Hello little kids, welcome to Schooling Juniors. Let's learn some color name. So let's get started. This is our lovely colors. Pink color, blue color, green color, red color, yellow color, orange color. Now let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Hexagon, H, E, X, A, G, O, N. Hexagon. Heart, H, E, A, R, T. Heart. Pentagon, P, E, N, T, A, G, O, N. Pentagon. Triangle, T, R, I, A, N, G, L, E. Triangle. Star, S, T, A, R. Star. Circle, C, I, R, C, L, E. Circle. Pink color, hexagon. Blue color, heart. Green color, pentagon. Red color, triangle. Yellow color, star. Orange color, circle. Hexagon, heart, pentagon, triangle, star, circle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.